celebrating. Obviously, AkA is not here to see the achievements and all of which I'm thinking if AkA had been alive, it was going to take him 2 years for this Miss Country to reach gold, but now y'all been listening, y'all been supporting the dead, which is real nice. Y'all is kind people. Anyway, obviously all this, the proceeds, I'm hoping they're going to go to, what's that fucking child? That DJ Zinhle child, right? Kairo. So the proceeds are going to go to Kairo, I hope. And obviously, we know that AkA had all the
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zinhle. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. You guys, killer blogger Musa Khawula has done it again and robbed troops the wrong way by making statements referring to DJ Zinhle and AkA's daughter Kairo and called her a fucking child in one of his video, you guys. Musa's social media users have swept his behavior under the carpet because they enjoy his content, have now finally decided to call him out for his disgusting behavior because, you guys, kids are obviously a no-go area. So many are saying they'll report his YouTube channel for making those remarks about Kairo. So this is what they said. I saw a video of Musa Khawula calling Kairo a fucking child. How on earth a grown ass man having a problem with a child who does not even know him? Les Mars report that YouTube account when Tweeb wrote, and Jabulani replied by saying, please. Another one responded and said he gets given too much praises and attention. That's why. Now there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.